ndachiri yakidima vana vakorizumedza unoifa enopumula zvino alichatombela channel is going to be zvitu
yeah namsina nika blue eyes neighbor
nena wona kati ngoko azifana zvina nanika ngomu kuti aziyeda ni
kama shindivyo linere khala finera yabona patsini
yeah just this inonga busy zvagura siti katovigosea varotova vone vanhu namse rikoni tanganidza ka the black couch futi kaimwe episode hey rinojaya rokidimedza mudhagasi zviri apo mara anyways zvote zvavapogwa rito zviyamba namse rinodhisira vodhokotera varume vodhokotera right rinavo dhokotera Thendos ngarini apo mara unaridzina nelongolo ka certificate yange vagraduate wana vodhokotera ndiwenyi
ukombo dzina chifani mini
azothe
dzina loferelawo nilifi Thendo Rafumbedzani Leonard lachikuone yani madzina anga oferela rika ID Leonard Thendo chifani ndi Rafumbedzani ukufindita right or nditove ndiyambe
hari vasangoridzimbela zvine vavazva
okay mini history kododiwa mini enda tomaone
ari namberi jene ka dentistry yonini ndizovona madhokotera wamanhu uri zvotodhani uri vone vanange
kosi yamanhu ti ringatositoma kai ritakuwe kai okay aritoma nendo toma primary chikoloni cha Vision ne sorry man not Vision ndotobuya ndotoma Mwerefiri Northwest chikolo china cha Potchefstroom chinowidzwa Mwerefiri chikolo cha Afrikaans so basically ndo ita let's say ndati kuita subjects of Afrikaans for matomono skala nda we have Venda ndika standard 4 ni mina been grade
ni grade 6
grade 6
ndizone ya
ndakona kuya ndajena napo Vision chachi chilamba nge tidivina chidivana so ndajena nge Vision uswikala ndichiswika ka grade 10 yeah Lezo ndichipfuluwa ndayatengwe high school and I attended on grade 11 and 12 yeah ndio nenda kono yaona ngini tengwe ndapasa then ndichipasa ndakono ya medunza ndakono leta ningi dentistry ndichipedza ningeenda kono buya ngeno Venda ushuma ndatoma kushuma ka department ya health ka government so ndushuma for a few years then from there and ndikushuma Thendo Health Center tidivina idivana yeah G yapala on health center la koloni G retsinga zima mlilo ngapala yeah nipala ndushuma for a few years 3 to 4 years then from there I opened my own practice. I think now I've been running that practice since 2014 I think 2013-2014 till so now so
about 10 years
yeah I think let's put it like that yeah let's put it like that about 10 years or so So till now I'm running my private practice there. Pasi atanoro nepala ndiwana naone.
Unapo paka gore ya blue
eyes.
Yeah. And then nanepa alone blue eyes chacho paka one. Uko kuona na services zinanga mimi zinakubata.
Apala ni una GP general practitioner una wa mato. Havana ne wa mano. So rato ribararo apala petu.
Okay.
Ngoraro.
And then it's a good thing or namsi una mtu wa mano. Ndina na tide ndishila icing. Tina ndiafuna the cake.
Sensitivity.
Yes, no, liaba wanga man. Tazi anga ndi mine pala face.
Kalipio la panda la mbrao la pasi la ntami.
Irusishwa this.
The word lipio or nimro mode.
Oba aya panda
Aya panda. No, chonjibinga nga wana comes na crack or something. That's just sensitivity, man. I would just recommend to divini shumsa toothpaste pio Sensodyne ko.
Sensodyne ya charcoal.
Yeah, it's better because ishumaka sensitivity mara that would work. Yeah, ndizo yeah ringara zingozindena ko divanisha.
And then zvinanya kudhiva chafuta condition. Oh, uchambwa watu avononi uri watu vasina vazvimeno. Ndi zvimeno vazvimeno not maveni.
It's a gap.
So vanyago uri vapangwe the gold tooth and zvinova vifishiri. Vane solution izvi.
Not usually but vitazi brace. No, before that jana kazi braces reakono pecha lino lora rusaini na gap nyana yetu kuti reakono pecha langa ngira pecha langa ngi asendela sala gap nyana tukunya ratuli hulisa zwa kudibudi mara no lingasi zvibone lora relative no dolisa ngina ngi zvingasibona besides that you can una the braces the optioning whenever to ba itayone.
Okay. Yeah, and then for nerno barenga side in the using ringa kono wana or dani unengo branch ne yako dakamzi
yanga. I don't know, maybe in future I can open something
like
that's I'm not sure because I that chipinga chenda zama utandichia some weekends then there Maria, maybe in future maybe I can open something that side.
Okay.
I can't, but we'll see.
And then unazunga business nina quite on the side besides you.
Nah, I'm just focusing kazoma not. I don't.
Ana za illegal ninga dia.
No, unazunga za illegal. Ndi mtu wa basically my life is based around work, cars, soccer.
Definitely cars.
Let's put it like that.
And soccer ya.
And soccer. Yeah. Bola ndi funanga manda ndi atamba manda almost every week. That's keeping fit. Let's say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It's only borani. Weekends I'm playing soccer. Yeah, Rashida Magoro is no. That's a long story. I've been a petrol head for the longest time. I think since I was born. Let's put it like that. Now I'm turning 34. November. My birthday is on the 29th of November. So if I'm putting it like this, like I've been a car fanatic since I was very young. I think before I wanted to do dentistry, what you call this automotive engineering. Because I used to draw. Draw a design. Let's 3D design from the outside. Like primary. Just that I lost most of the pictures. Class in murawangi na radzura ne back city uchibona zvine pesa dziguru kupangius kangi na chito zidivori class yanga ndi hinga zvine pesa mi so dziguru ndikwamba zwa standard 4 kwamba zvakale man I used to draw ndiri dzako funds like ndikati
probably wa met
ai una ndikati ndikupetsa guru yanga ndikuipetsa mvape ko namba tiragai rubondo so zotomane pala namsindichia tertiary no I need to study and finish the range guru ya wood because I like cars. That's what I told myself I know.
So you were saying you'd rather opt to shuma darangele guru than comes in diwanendu tiwa hapa no udedera guru ndedera guru ni
I was still young kutomo shuma tomanga guru. I was like I know. Yeah, the thing is I like cars, so I had to do something about it. I like cars, I like speed, I like racing.
Let's put it like that. Okay, so we're jena deeply into the cars. Rkovia ka dentist kai ngombusa kura nini watu wazindira ndichivusa yo. So hapo tunamwe mtu unokunya kwenda dentistry ngiza. And unya ngofunza abe ndichuzoita as automotive engineering kana dentistry based on the challenges zabo.
Automotive engineering ndingari problem so far what I've seen ndishibenda shabakayo ndo shabori pano as company engineers za konotora the designers za guru. I'm not sure because most cars are not made this side. The only problem your toma ine ndobona yon. So dentistry it's good.
And is the money good?
No, the money it's good. It's okay. Yeah, I wouldn't say. But
good,
the money.
I'm just
saying, Mara, if you're working for the government, is that I'm not working for the government anymore. Usually, I don't know now. I'm sure after net salary allowed I come on about 50 or close to 650 something to 60 dentist, and then yeah. So I would put it like that. Dentistry is a nice career. Mara, I'm trying to young and tender to that chere kana ko that mean if I go for it. The calling.
Mano.
Mara, I don't negotiate Insta do a problem.
Yeah.
Mara, I would say it's a good career. Even though these days the government as chato told us what the battle ngatana mishume ko dito konda ichiapanda ngori kubona kaso zote mishume ko konda so let's put it like that.
Okay.
Mara, yeah.
And then rukambe ila 15 in India government apakaba private.
Private, it depends on how your private practice is running. Let's put it like that. So it depends in the business. Everything I'm trying to shop all all the run and go runa customer ngana jambo runa valadzi vangana no rindi kale ni kushumo skalini. Because I would say if what I've seen in business, the more years you work, but people konitiwa more. So somebody if you no shuma 20 years or 30 years, somebody go dibwa like ngato asingi mtu ofura na musi atumuvuna. So obviously so chimlangoraro but avani device obviously bangazizolewa kodwa. So if bachibo diba but room to one and up, it's much better for business.
Yeah.
Okay. Put it like that.
So no arko has grow area so vunja we no dera zone afa no. And there no ijena. Anda family tuku. Asa ukumba.
Each is another no why.
Ninga sichona release vitu. Yeah. Ko yo also go we. Okay, and then urufuna rogora da rotoma guy cause uko dziko dhroiwa na mini mara unaweza toma onere nende ndiyafuna goro za ukoma.
No, and ngezo toma onere ndichita draw na mini. I would say but when I realized that ndifuna speed ne so when I bought my first car. My first car was a Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 fimini zoom etla chipinga kwa bana dibete zoom tidinga di umbrana. Yeah, it's Mazda 3 did. That was my first car. That's what into speed, ne? I just wanted a nice car. So I rangela go. After that, there was this other day in Nikorila, then in Chisuka robot on the blue one. I used to think I had a fast car.
Yeah.
Till Ndichi Gepi was over. Doing my robot in that A4. Just a 2-liter A4. I had Mazda 3 1.6. Yeah, that you attack. No kind of yatuwa. Gone. I didn't understand what's going on because I used to believe uri gore gidima ngoru mtu wako enewa gidima yesa kana wako reida kantina engineer but I didn't know by that time. Then from there I sold that car. I went to a Volvo V40 T4. I don't know if you know that car. The hatchback. It is a Volvo. It is a the two pipe V40 those short ones. Yeah, it's like this. It's not that ugly mara. Yeah, no like fubi. Unaita fubi nyanela ndafunya.
So tomulaka zino.
Ndaya car yo ni ila ndicheka yo la guru. I drove it for a year or so. From there I wanted more speed. Na mudiyaka Golf 7 GTI. That's when but what mundiba onenga laur Thendos because never did personalize or mini Thendos. Ndio nezo vaone zo story.
Ozamba Thendos ya S eti?
Yeah, Thendos ya S yo tomaningi. And then ndichitela Thendos ya S wasiko vakori. No ndichisuka nge traffic ya fimini. Thendo lono waone so you must add another letter there or really. So right and another score mean Thendos. So ndatumu gidi manga GTI Golf 7 anipala. From there Diane rock performance full exhaust. Yeah, I drove that car. I think I drove that car from 0 kilometers to Sukajiji 200,000 kilometers. Yeah. I think I drove it for 3 to 4 years. You're chill, that's straight.
200,000 in 4 years?
No, I used to drive. That's a day. Like, na Volvo, ndichi rengisa yo chimra 90,000 in 1 to 2 years. Mazda ichimra 60,000 in 1 year.
Now it makes sense.
Yeah.
Why need to funa guru iprando?
Then Honda yaka TT, Audi TT.
Yeah, TT ndenda tumodivanga.
Audi TT. That's when then la TT ndayambo the tomo reichuna na panga full exhaust of footy from rock performance. Then from then I figure quitty performance. And I does stage choke la guru. Yeah, drove it, went to races, TI, guy. I was winning here and there. But the problem with that car, front wheel drive. So I had an issue, each launch, because wheel spinner too much. So if a car go wheel spinner, you won't win. It's an stage 3 can panga na boy. you'll need a rolling race. And then that's when I realized, no, I need a quattro. I need an all-wheel drive.
Oh.
Yeah.
And then is no needs
But before I went there, C63.
Yeah.
That one, yeah. It was Ndoyana had drag race ODI. I won a few races, mara rolling ones, because from the line yeah, too much wheel spin. So mara yone na yo right. Yeah, I miss it now. The way I go drift, because I used to enjoy drifting every time it go namvura, going sideways and so on. Yeah.
Okay. And then go is go more advance as go chincha. Also like you said, no renga C63. And then I ring and I'm raw.
Then renga W204 yeah 2010 model.
Yeah.
V8 6.2 liter. Yeah.
Yeah. So what would you say in the situation? Because takaela kagore zine kazi advancements zinaweza kuitiwa zino kazi gore.
Mudagasa phone. No one likes electricity cars. Well, it's gonna be a problem. It's better to keep those cars, man. I think I still need to get that car again. Because island jini got there. Because one is C63, you know, inch, you know, 2 liter, and the electric now, so it's bad. Changes, maybe changes are not good, man. Rewriting a petrol.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then why la C63 rings? So car you rings so not pack you.
Right with Ramsey. No see what the grace. I know obviously. No see what.
No quite go to Winnie.
No see what that car. The other thing, the interior yela Korea Karenyan. I would say interior yes and Takazi. So na mononori. Non si sa drag race and actually petrol. Let's put it like that. Ela go actually petrol was serious because it's a V8 6.2 liter. When you're driving from here to, let's say Pretoria, and they offer about 6,000 to 7,000 just to yeah, petrol. And then you go Chimbra, so the 120, 140. That thing chows petrol. So I see reliable na and for a daily car, I know. But the other thing, Lucy, so I was like a drag race. I took a win.
Yeah.
No chuna ilantu ndo bono rizu yafana chuna natural aspirated, it's not that easy. Then like ndiko the one at the YouTube ndikale RS3 ndichifuna. It's been my dream car for the longest time. Chidibona ro batwa kodzitani na ndakono no ndawana RS3.
Yeah.
Sungachimbira then ndizo ichivelela blue eyes, you know. Yeah.
Ichi chinokufuniwa chicha dachinyangori budai. Ndo chipora.
Aingasini budai.
And then go filler. Yeah, there with a gearbox. Wait till nikajila.
Yeah. You for a gearbox in a kilometer that car. 112,000 Ks.
So you continue.
Yeah. Vunda gearbox. Yeah, you know vunda mechatronics. Yeah, you would have mechatronics. It would have mechatronics. Lucky enough, it was still under warranty. Goria compared warranty 120, I think. And then, lucky enough, I didn't have any software in that car.
Yeah,
I only had full exhaust. Yeah, you want to be black beast. Catch me if you can. Pass again. I mean, so Maranda again.
Wow.
No, that one Elan ango to drag race in Jisa. Elan da chifuna na handling phase kazi bad as long as always na guy at when to drag race abonga because yes ngo to chito. Then chincha, I think gearbox that time warranty yo chincha around equita gearbox slash pinganga warranty. But it was 100 and something warranty. By chincha yote by chincha then I drove it again. After that, after 20 kind of 30,000 Ks. Yeah, kwasha gearbox housing. Yeah, that's when I realized that I know you connect a guru. Yeah, no. Yeah, then that's when I know that car is tired. Then yeah.
And then now was a blue eyes, but what was the blue eyes in the main? Okay, and they go here and then that is not Mazina. Why is the name more?
In like Gurui can it's like something. It's like a friend. Like Golini Toko Namba Nayo, like now so the Nipindulati, Nakonamba Nayori, Blue Eyes, Elengo Brabatos. Why you like to be black beast? Oh, it's like Chachifi Ayanda.
Chipio?
Titi. Yeah.
Why?
No, Asnayanda. That's a name that came to me. It was a small car. Portable. Lori Ayanda. Then Benzen Dichirner Brabatos is because of the aggressiveness of the car, the sound and everything. Brabatos.
Why is over Brabas?
Nah, Brabatos Ilalo Vaka. I was watching this other Netflix. Was it a series? Yeah,
So you have time for cars in Netflix?
obviously Netflix. Who's not patient on Netflix?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, kana series.
Yeah.
And then Blue Eyes, ndo tumango iri really no cane igolo before ndiri Blue Eyes. Celotox. Celotox ndola mshonga narashi mzotava ngawo wachinoge.
Masikogolo izigore mshonga.
So the problem with that name, I realized that no, it's not catchy. People are failing to understand because I write it XYLOTOX. Mara but talk about pronounce. What is Celotox? What is Lignoke? Because when I have Ambusa, then I was like, no, let me change the name. There no mini Blue Eyes since the color is blue, and then Goria Siabatu so inokisa in blue eyes. Then from there, Yoshimwanyane Goria Ziapa, Inamshumo, yeah, you know Shumwa bad. Like I've worked, I still have a lot to do. I need to go faster than this. Hey,
Mariko Maga, I bet on top speed in this 6 to Thendo yode. So I can hear what she must be okay.
Because so far, I've got stage 3 software in this car. I've got drop-in intake. I've got downpipe and mid-pipe. Nazoezi nonyana unaimacha beba sanjini ndaisa QT apatwa the whole motor from forged motor from the pistons, the IRF kit, the but anyways, engineer the patwa from scratch. Uricona handle 900 horsepower. So no, you're really good. This engine can handle 1,000 horsepower. I just need to get a bigger turbo. Right now, your rear boost, it's higher than it was before. Mara, what's needed now is a hybrid turbo or a big turbo. Whenever there's no use of IMS 850, at even I check YouTube, which is the rest in those one or Uricona get 9.5 seconds, quarter mile. Kana 9 seconds, you know, 216, 9 seconds or so. But I think now in Gavek about 10.8, 10.9 seconds, quarter mile, or 11.1, somewhere there. So 0 to 100, I'm sure this car does around 3.2 seconds, 3.3, somewhere there.
And then what's the fastest you've gone?
It's legally.
Legally, around,
let's say around 300. Doesn't take time jana 250 kwambori 2 minutes something I think ekambori either the discipline ego otherwise I need to waste this guy is fast either the discipline is serious in
zulari kuda nokloka kugenda kubero no says mulanga wasi cheo goroini
somewhere that want to check out was over there
mare jana woma 150
150 ni tokorovira
and then sa mtu wa cafe tick. There's always those things in there. One the argument between cars.
Yeah.
So are you a Mac guy or an Audi? Because obviously it's not a BM, eh?
Okay, to be honest, I'm not really brand loyalty Wambango because I've changed Mazda, VW, Audi, Mercedes. Maybe one day you'd find me drive a BMW, but I can't guarantee. Mara obviously nichi wana ndiko mangazi rival the Audi na BMW. Obviously the car is good so that ziko bambedzana. So Mara, so far I'm an Audi person. Audi nefuna. I don't regret driving an Audi. Yeah, I would say I'm an Audi person. Na Mac, I don't mind driving a Mac. A Mac is fine. VW also not bad. Yeah. The thing that made me not to get an A45 in the GA was the sound. A45 2.0, I sounded nice compared to 2.5 liter RS3.
Yeah.
That's one thing.
And I was about to come to that. Are you a sound guy or a speed guy?
Do everything. Because if you don't hear the sound, I still need a full exhaust on this car. Hey,
I'm sure I'm going to go to Budokote no Fera Mbiwana. Rofeza, this is Rofeza Guru. Nishaga Dokote ala hukuma lazio pareshi. Yeah. And then are you part of any crew as the drag racing?
Yeah, I've got like a crazy crew. We've got an RS3 group. Ina jena ila nini jena ngena renga rese page ani pangiwe ni sina rese so that's where I get most of my information from ina rese so ione ya Audi ina ya jena sana zi S ya zi S3 na zi mini ione and the group njisa za guru njisa una hadzo dzasvika 6 or 7 groups nevakadzi dzadziguru dzo dzine rari kuupdatana ngadzidreg race and so on race muthu achisiyiwa achiita mini videos and so on
ichisiyiwa 63 nakwata naraiye
zvavavebla zvito usiyiwa tidivi neona pain yapfala pakambironi koipfala like niyapfa bavo nosiyiwa
nalichawamusana
kwambango tanikusiyiwa ngomusana zvakare chemutuku lichiwa
pain yone uvavaipiwo pain yagorowe
lichiwa
ndimatolichaya kana wasokonigosta
zvakare mara pain yosiyiwa ti guys no you won't understand. You won't understand, and most people don't understand. Pen you see where you are. Obviously, you can't be the fastest person, but at least you must be there. Yeah, let's put it like that.
Okay, and then is the drug race was great, guys. Never has won TikTok.
So far ODI netzenza ndiko attenda. Unaimwe attenda ya airport. Shinondwango dzina lao ni la airport ya kushimisa airport strip. And then ODI wana na side ya Karankwangangi ndio nonezi zaita yesao nezi zinena wana odala una watu wanji banchi unaziti so zinonya I think on the was it 24th or something that's the one so you know so yeah ndio those are let me say it's a legal place cause auna asibada ndio over race track I think tobo right to take care of mara ndi race track namzina cheka ka Google ndo the one ODI race track it's safer to race between aba controlled unenga dotangana na kana chitakuwa na notura mutu iti amin kongwana it's safer that way let's put it like that
and then ndenda unenge video kati niko kitima lungu basa uyatando
ndiko konyisa niko dzita
nakutsa zvinjera guy mandi kusenga seconds uyatando
how many was it 1 minute or 1 point something what time was that 2
ara video kono fera ka TikTok ila chipinga chakare man.
Yeah, that day. I said to Neko Chimanga. I think I got TT. Yeah, and I think Rago Voita. What was it? Rago Voita. If you mean convoy, if you mean Rarania, and so the chipi saying if us. Yeah, Rago.
No, na zigoronia. Kako zina zigoronia.
Pass. Rago no we as well. The rich bobu ya fala ndioni. Rago Tsangoral. I think it was 1 minute something, if not a minute. But tunasiya kona archana bada auchera ni madindi pezi achachimulenga aucharuga chitu
zvino blue eyes kechichona kera vatu vasitana vadiposiposi vodokotera
discipline. Let's put it like that. Discipline. One thing for sure. First of all, let me put it like this: I don't drink alcohol at all.
I've
never. I've won no alcohol. I think that's why I don't get involved in accidents because I never drive under the influence. That's something that I would emphasize, or at least it's better to drive. So nakelo si no aru abuzina mtwane. So that discipline. Mutasa wana discipline ya unazunanga achieve ngoria. Problem.
And then Instagram angiridzwa kuona wewe nikoulwa nawe na 4G. Ukati ari ambengela beef.
No, me
because the way you were celebrating Gorea nichi wiza ndiche ichiti. Ichi chinyara. Hey baby. Thendos car broke down.
No, then 4G I wouldn't say we enemies. We're not really enemies. Just that we drive different cars. So we're competing. So let's put it like that. Last on siyang ndika benze. Ndichirikade.
Masoneno ndisiya.
Ndichirikade nga RS3 acha totoda wosha. Wasiba.
Ndena wenisiya. Nichirengisa.
No ndisiwa ngabangu ngatana like mara nayo nditsiye mara ndamu. Zino ndichumumizo rikabuye acha totoda ngoro sidiwo do wana to bandenya. Ngasichada zwi. So mara no we don't really have a beef. I wouldn't say we're fighting over anything. It's just about cars. We just competitive like nothing much. I wouldn't say there's anything behind that. It's not personal. It's not personal, even though sometimes it looks personal, but it's not. It's just for fun. It's not personal. Let's put it like that.
And then on Instagram, it's 52,000 people. You wanna grow, you gotta give my page. So how do you like engage with those people in your day to day? Because I feel like ni mshuma munji. Ngasto ngo funa DM.
DM is I prefer commenting. I don't talk comment. like ara ndikokona kupindura ndodipindura ende dzindakona dzipindura and so on mara unless ara mtu kamsa kodm so zvine swairana mushumo kana kobudza zvine kobudza ndakona kuzobona mtu not hai comes to orobudzisa mwara mini that's when I can ndakona kupindura kungwana and so on yeah let's put it like that.
Okay, and so wewe somango ndichithoma leno mzori kugimedza mudakasi so naso kubona runo swifara ndibe zori poita suza aba Vescom mara yeah back to you ruko uya ne yeah chimanga chikadhiva rina
3 minutes
chogirima RS3 hey yakatochipa and then ndinyane wa thing better between 4G na Thendos kai uyangaini ko rail obviously not kabudokotela
okay ko rail obviously mwana modi dimelela ne because I would say mwana modi dimelela ne ndodiri nolo ndodiri ene mune but we still have to race again. Roera race a Red Star race way. I remember that time for Jia kuchimlanga 38 on the racetrack. I don't know. Then for Gio number 2 is one that I but on my case, then a problem na go with that day. Yeah, what do you call it? Yeah, a problem na cooling. It go with what do you call coolant. Temperatures ziko gonya. Ndisa ko dichi chela yengwe coolant ko do matsina tambo in pipe inojena kanjini ngamrayoela yokula ya mati yonoka like yonoka racetrack we are like we did 4 laps think 4 laps zipedza full tank almost 4 laps zipedza full tank yeah after that then I couldn't do a lot of laps or ndikona tsitsa chipinga I think abompiranga 0.0 milliseconds
yeah karetsi yawe ubona ndi 0.2
yeah 0.2 ndiro siwanga 0.2
abe second ndo poiza mara nji ori 0.1
so yeah but I would say for G's, ngori uchimlanga ya Willis got more experience in spinning because uchimlanga M4. Okay, nasi 63 na do the renga ndo the spinner nyanda different. My problem was that it was an old car. Ushabo funda so itu like usually baria by some steering rack ngamanda go spinner and so on. Yeah, but in future I'm gonna get something drift. I enjoy drifting, not spinning. Drifting, spinner mwana mwa score and the roads are to spinner to kana mafura na konta drive lokulia mona.
Mara razita zinga azrote nera do bana outcome nti.
Ndizone.
Like yazo sujela ziyama ndiga sweeta mara zinga sifane bla.
Mara udrifta no zubono udrifta is difficult. I don't know the latest sport ya drifting na tsanzi kujena kona nzikutonga rumbu tsikutonga rumbu. Yeah, so if you want to get something like that then I want to go in at the end break in a mini so you need a proper rear wheel drive and then I part for drifting. I think it would also build my content here guru. I need something like that, not a daily but just that car and then I got to go into patari ndikono spinanga you know what I mean. Yeah, that's my future plan for now. Do you want something like that?
Okay, yeah. So rarte ruchitanga weekend number 8 ndisi yonene ko so ndovaninge no figure wo kharankuwana
ndasa kuvarisi ndasa kuvarisi ndiko va tunmia vana vavadzula pulukwana
una mia vana rona very genical ndakasota ndo ngori pfarima swiswini
pulukwane I got married when was it I forgot 3 or 4 years back
the COVID so was masiswini
no pira COVID ndizo zino 3 or 4 years back never know what ndo date 4 years back
ara kuri zifera mara zinenda dhamba ebya wala bakwate
that's 4 years back yeah me vana vapulukwana so yeah
and so you have a daughter ola mwana opi man
on the way
ola utodzula so
alwa 63 ko drift aje mtugu echikadona mimwedzi so achazvifa on the way. Okay. Sinanga bya mwana falanga fenta kana
kola mngosha weka dro ikobuma peze nefo so
yeah so that's about it.
Okay, and then una airport hapa we ever wish una utilize
yeah for business I don't know then when us yamba na mungori we should arrange something marti diburi relevant people vanera tiwa kwa mandi vapi uri kono organize something uri vangatendera na kono function yeah ribizena wala watu wangeni vavuyengeni rearrange something because ungakona ze if apala vitu ra one over there ra tsanyai dzingavuya but
and then there's a page inofika wao ka YouTube ngediwa nare nikobona pala vitu nani kuzibona zigwena mara nare ayati mare ndito pirongo ra ikono re ara nenda ndiona pala ndadondera zokwini
ndizo andedza ndikoichekela ni I would say apala vitu zivakadzi reaction times ngamanda ka launch na mini I would say no caroling ushumesa ubeyagulika gereyon can be rolling nice agulika gear 4 can gear 3 idolengo kikaini kongwana I would say that's
nditomenga bugaya ndichirolla ndinyakorolla ndichitoa apo ndosara ndikorolla
nikuita rolling no zvako nikorolla kaluviro pio it's between usually rolling itomaka 60 obviously ngotomaka 16 ndiyo vene veka gear number 2 na veka manywadha uri ichiri ini kono chincho ya panda ngori ngasiri rolling ikatiri ngori obviously nditomoka ndeko doya chincho vakatiri yakatu chacha chipinga chiri tuku ngosara
okay and then then so nanga dvance charivona zvino ngosokobona Thendos apo ka screen mara nzongo wangu revodira udokota na verdira chini cover nyani une la the advert dzaka the TV na ukambofi hey this is the number 1 toothpaste recommended by dentist ni as recommended swini
now would say net toothpaste they are fun as long as it's something chine chabidzo fluoride ndi chitu chine chivachika zi toothpaste almost zote chone chinokwatisa mano so if toothpaste ina fluoride that's it toothpaste they are fun zote toothpaste so fun so I wouldn't say ndikubona zinendibona zvifana
okay then ke group wao ndi usori mini uri nichitanzwa mano utwana zvinotova specific nezvotoshimiswana kana namsi nichikotamba nga brush zvifana msi nodana tanzwa ninge ufuna kurodza vakudzidzisa votoshavenda
zvotanzwa ati zvino ushuma muchini pala petu ushuma chini
ini tamba waone ti
una chitu chine chabidzo femini scale ndicho nicho kwayo ati obviously nikotamba nga brush unadzichika dzine unoona vatola bomerera zvinhu zvine navanoriswa tooma zvitonga matombo pakamana like nawana so brush ngasizvibvise blast ukotoshuma scale chakuma chachikodojena chikutukura kanya blast chikutukura then na polish other than that unazo nonga whitening ndichaja around 2900 whitening ni blast ndi bleach of do bleach mano achena tromangotanzwa rakono bleach it's different from cleaning inowana kubvisa dzichika dzirenga ntadzi plaque zvibizo vi plaque na dzi calculus inowana ku clean aso zvinonga zveso so bleaching inowana ku bleach mano
and to danda bleach ndotondera kamera dzichitsima ndikonoita mama awonale ndito danda bleach na nenge so vatu nsongomangara richikota nyopedza namusi rikoroshavana na midagasi na mini mara udovuyo mutu ridara muchitira ningi ya vodokotela ngoduva na mini so and then one last thing that you want to say to mtu wamtukana zvino ngori vadzana kali kuita ntu vako advice you ngavazana unoda so what's the one thing that you can advise to a guy and is there like hako start uko start anyone anena kanya ku advice wamtukana
advice nokamba like uri
in life uri abverere na ina ape very
now I would say hard work. Let's start there. And I'm one person who believes uri there's nothing that is impossible chimwana chimwe chine mtu akotodochiita udochikona I would give an example nenda si mtu anenda kona metse. Let me say I was good ka theory like ndachinga kono wana kamsinda jina ka top 15 ka top 16 metse ndo wana 40 edzimwe zote ndikurwa 80 minutes 90 minutes 80 minutes 70 minutes so metse uchikoenda mimi ndika pass mark aya metse ndika pass mark no asimafungo draw goal metse wakonda I won't lie metse wakonda so I had this friend of mine abese ndikomba zuzena ngosita ka grade 11 I remember ritengwe robana this thing chine chabidzo fi winter school last year rarichiraiswa TUT ari horo selectwa top was it top 100 kan top 80 our students ka grade 11 manokones ratonga basi ra 2 weeks rari ninge TUT main campus rikufunziwa ninge ngama lecture ndio nenda bonyoro matoka metse on so I realized no atikobala zone metse atikuita zone ndio la mtu ane ara mdedidzo onifunza metse avana ze example ndichita zile example phase ndapore mulingo chidadidorwa instead of that I was going there then nakonozvibona pala no man it's better to text in layer and to vula na dzimwe example and the example inji and you must always practice don't metsa that practice ya dwana do let's put it like that I'm telling you ndo vaka ka 40 ya pass mark and ya ka 75 na vaka 40 ya pass mark nga trial the first time I got 75 was in trial ka exam trial because I had this friend of mine that told Andy Chimtswenya achikona metse like achikona richi chase no mtswenya richi vachi colony ndachitwana every time uri kangudise metse na science every day
so determination
achikongudisa metse na science na zvimona practice 75 uvapo I think ndo pesa ndo pasa ngabo 80 or something uvaka 40 nimbudze ndanisa na pass mark ya
so no double so I would say uri hard work no certain to give up ndingazvipa an example ndeta ndichiridza guitar and then guitar ndasa ikoni naruti ndotovhura YouTube nda type how to play guitar Yeah.
So every time ndimushumo ndachiva ndofara gita ndikodigudisa nemunhu
nemango baba
ndachiva ndikoita mini ndikolidza gita nakeyboard ndialidza mara I'm not that good mara ndodibudza uri mini ndodigudisa ndodibudza uri why ndichingabhalelwa ndafirwa muthu asakoni kuona mara akonolidza keyboard ini namato othe nikobhalelwa ndina minwe na milenje nikobhalelwa komwana uri zvose make sense. So I would say hard work and not giving up and believing that everything is yakona there. That's it.
True. And then advice ani ne yazvo unofuneta zigolo ina ruviro ane ruviro ndi rufuna don't after na musi ndingasadwa ndari ndiyagidima like ndingasadwa ndari ndiyagidima
aiwa ndingomuri like uri wandivesa uri mini
nditozvitisani uri nanevo nditi habe una pale nafira gore ati ancharivona veweti hena chena ngoda zigzag imweni ativi andaiona kuita umwe petu.
No, I think experience chore it comes with time. Let me put it like that. Yes, dangachiping
ichigore ndikachiita mini uri chiite zvine
yanoita ndibuga liter ndi 1.4 2 liter ni mini
ndi 2
liter ti they're obviously downpipe ningatomanga downpipe exhaust or conofema, then from the intake, then from then ngaita software stage 1 or so. Yeah, that's about it. Inga gidima nyana ende yake inoto gidima mara obviously you know gidima inga gidima.
Okay, no problem. Now it's not sound as long as I go gidima
mara sound ndio automatic no we need down pipe sound idoba queen ido kono pfala nyana.
Okay, vakozvipfa vadon donatera nani Venda donatiwa baditi. So guys, rani rini shave enepa ngori arichena mavona ncharivona so ari kunyagora ndiri kufonga ona zvine rakoita fonini murazi camera. So either way rine rikotuwa Thendos vanganiwanisani vathu ka social media.
Social media apedzi langa la Instagram liri mini
lidiwanga hola
liri Thendos _RS3
GP.
No, aina GP. Aina GP.
Adikufani ngoma na
yeah, if you go to consultant ya dingwa era ne pala uri no ndina lino zikweta 1 2 3 then pindura kana na number phones anga that's usually on customer line for but wanako do consultant no wudzisa then we take it from the end of the and the mtengo yanga yafareya ndingamgura ndiyatsa ndiyagonya arali muthu atsa
nende tambe mama
ndikotombori
ndikoyewa nyangoita whitening
no ndikombori like no whitening ndio ya kondotsa cause problem ni product ya whitening ya dhuru. So I would say utanzwa nokula ndizone rine kamsi ati yola mtu ane mtu angara akoda sejarini yaro kudogulwa maybe let's say ni kulanga 500 aro offer 400 ndangamuumisa rikasimuumisa ndido fera butungu na mukula ngongwana mara mtu asongodo danga kola offer 400
ari atapotona 400 zvino ngori angasiri umisi. So narine songo ngori follower ka The Black Couch ka Instagram na ka Facebook. Rino na Facebook ni follow ni The Black Couch na ni follow ni Kingsley Mudau enefo. So rine roya other days you do mangazo bona. Okay.